Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out on Cash app step by step. First, open the Cash app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, tap the Balance tab. This shows how much money you are currently having. Cash app. Tap Cash out, enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. Then tap Continue. You will see two options: free arriving 2 to 3 days, small fee arrives right away. Choose the option you want. Confirm with your PIN, Touch ID or Face ID. Your money will send to your linked bank account or debit card. You must have a linked bank account or debit card. Instant deposit have a fee. Cash out limits may apply based on your account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.